Hey y'all, so welcome to my channel. If you're here to see me give Angel Marie her very first silk press. But first, I just need y'all to stop what you're doing. Go ahead and subscribe to, the channel. Like this video, share this video, and then if you still have some time, after you watch the video, follow us on Instagram at Rays of Sunshine. These are just a few shots of Angel Marie's hair, freshly washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. Here I'm going to be using the Garnier Fructis Anti-Humidity Smoothing Milk. And all I'm going to do is apply a little bit to the section of hair that I'm working on before I blow dry. And the hair can be wet or damp. Here I have my paddle brush and my blow dryer, and I've already detangled this piece that I'm working on, but as you can see, I had to go in very small sections and detangle the hair first and then blow dry it and run the brush through it to try to get it straight. So here the hair, her hair is pretty much dry. Actually, it's 100% dry. So I'm going to twist it up and move on to the next section. Here I'm getting ready to apply a little bit more of that smoothing milk to help with the detangling process. And then I'm going to take my paddle brush and I'm going to start to detangle. And I'm going to start at the ends of the hair and work my way up until it's completely detangled. Now that I'm done detangling, I'm going to get the dryer and make sure it's on the low, cool setting. And I'm going to just stretch the hair and hold the dryer on like you see. And the hair is starting to straighten out. And then I'll just brush through it and then continue to do that until the hair gets straight. Y'all, it took me some time to get this because I don't have the attachment for my dryer. So it really took me some time to get this, what I'm doing here with the brush and the hand dryer. But once I got it, I think I was pretty much flowing through it. But I just wanted to point out also that when I have the dryer so close to the brush, that it is on a cool setting. It's not too much heat on her hair, but I'm just trying to get it as straight as possible. So once the hair is completely dry and I can comb through it without it getting caught, then I twist it up and move on to the next section. So here her hair is completely blown out and we're getting ready to apply the straighteners for the very first time. So now I'm just giving her Mickey Mouse and I gave her some cereal and some juice just because I wasn't sure how she was going to react. But I must say she did pretty good for the whole process and I did not burn her. So thumbs up to me. Here I'm going to use the Garnier Fructis Style Flat Iron Perfector Straightening Mist. And you just spray that over the hair as needed and you just work it in and then you start to flat iron. And the bottle says to flat iron immediately after you spray it on. So that's what I did. Next, I took a small section, combed it through before I put the straighteners on there, and then I'm going to break it down later in the video, but then you just run the straighteners over the roots a few times. And I didn't get too close to her roots because like I said, I really was not trying to burn her. But then you just, chase the comb with the straighteners till you get to the end of the hair. and then that's it. But like I said, I'm going to put it in slow motion and actually try to break it down the best I can for y'all later on in the video. It's actually coming up, so stay tuned. Also, try to only pass over the hair with the straighteners 2 times. Just do the best you can. Keep it in the back of your mind, especially for your little ones, because you don't want them to end up with damaged hair because you got carried away with the straighteners. So, okay, now I'm going to try to go through it one more time. Get your part, get your section. You go over it with the comb, then you do the straightening irons, and then you chase the comb with the straighteners. Comb, straighten the roots, put the comb, chase the comb with the straighteners. Voila, you're done. And then you just move on to the next section. Okay, y'all, so this is where I'm about to break it down, and it's going to be in slow motion for y'all so y'all can see. And pay attention because this is right by her ear, and I was really trying not to get her ear. So I just probably did it like ½ an inch away from the roots a few times while holding the hair, and then go probably about halfway while I get my comb, and then put the comb up in there, and then while you kind of use the comb to hold the hair up, and then you go right back in with your straighteners. I did this a few times where I just combed it all the way through, because you might find that the hair the comb will get stuck at the ends, and you want it to be able to just go so it's no yanking. You want it to just go straight on through like it's about to do now. So, yep. And then it's just gliding, baby. And then look at that silky hair. Woo! And then that's really it. You just do that, and it's the only reason why I would say it's really tedious is because if you don't do small enough sections, then it's pointless. You just putting all this heat on your baby's hair for nothing, because it's not going to be straight, and it's going to be looking probably jacked up because the heat is not getting distributed evenly. So this is our finished product. Straightening Angel Marie's hair for the very first time, I believe, was a success, and she's having fun with it. So thank you everybody for watching.